General history of Six Sigma and continuous improvement. Early growth of Six Sigma. Now we shall discuss about a few organizations who have given the Six Sigma drive in industry a push in the early stages. There are two organizations, Motorola Incorporation and General Electric, where the Six Sigma concept was really nurtured well at the early stages. The early push made the foundations for future paradigm shift. Let us have a quick look at their Six Sigma endeavor. Growth of Six Sigma in Motorola. In Motorola, we shall look into a few significant events during its early growth. There are two quotes that underline the significance. 1979, the real problem at Motorola is that our quality stinks, told Art Sundry, a senior engineer. 1985, a product found defective and corrected during manufacturing had high probability of failing during early use by customers, commented Bill Smith, Chief Executive, Quality Functions. With a humble beginning, Six Sigma movement started in Motorola. In early 1970s, Motorola started experimenting with problem solving through statistical analysis. In 1976, Motorola started Six Sigma approach to achieve one of the top 10 corporate goal of improving the quality by 10 times within 5 years in 1981. In 1986, the term Six Sigma was coined by Bill Smith. In 1987, Motorola officially launched its organization-wide Six Sigma program with various objectives. These were: improve quality 10 times by 1989, improve quality 100 times by 1991, achieve Six Sigma 3.4 DPMO performance by 1992. In 1988, Motorola won the first Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award. In 2003, Motorola took Six Sigma to the next level by elevating it to a management system and rebranded their efforts as Digital Six Sigma. The program further evolved in 2005 when they added lean concepts to the traditional Six Sigma framework to identify redundancies and reduce costs and cycle time. Over the years, Motorola built on this methodology to include the use of statistical tools and a step-by-step process to drive improvement, innovation, and optimization. That endeavor translated into a sustainable growth strategy.
Motorola's emphasis on reducing waste and non-value added activities was critical in addressing the continuing competitive pressures and increasing their productivity.
The growth of Six Sigma in GE was also similar. In 1996, Jack Welch launched Six Sigma at GE. With the top management push, the drive continued with big impact. By the year 1998-1999, Green Belt certification became the criteria for staff promotions at GE. By the year 2002-03, Green Belt certification became the criteria for promotion to executive management roles at GE. And over the coming years, scope of Six Sigma initiative has widened from only manufacturing to the other areas of business, such as service, product design, and innovation. Focus of Six Sigma. As the Six Sigma movement took a revolutionary approach, the philosophy of breakthrough production and service shifted its focus to reduce variation, reduce defects, delighting the customer, reduce production cost, reduce process cycle time, improve the quality. And the management team's focus shifted from how to just fix a product problem to how the product could be better designed and made.
end of the session.
To make the learning even more engaging, our research team has prepared a short quiz for you to test your understanding. You can find the link to the quiz in the description below. Take a few minutes to complete it and feel free to share it with your colleagues, friends and online mates. Before you go, don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time, don't miss out on the latest insights. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.